5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Empowered.
Pick up front left.
Empowered.
Hey, grab orbs and begin.
Massive smash.
Let's not get ready.
Holy.
Dark matter. Shattered space.
Hey, good orbs, grab them. Good soaks, and bring them down. Good positions for gravities.
One. Done.
Empowered.
Massive smash.
Okay, good positions and pump.
Dark matter.
Empowered.
Pick up front.
Empowered. Empowered. Empowered.
Shattered space.
Make sure we grab orbs, bring them down straight away, don't be late.
Blur.
Oh, that's too close, right?
Empowered.
Maybe. Just stay to the edge. Be in. Good recovery.
Massive smash.
Empowered.
Okay, get ready for knock. This is third. Good positions and pump pads.
Dark matter. Shattered space.
Okay, grab orbs, get ready.
Empowered.
Ready.
Empowered.
Bring them down.
Empowered.
1. Done.
Slow down slightly.
Five, 4, 3,
I've got you.
2, 1.
We're in
Ready.
Dimensius' domain now. So stay close and listen to me.
Easy platform, let's go. Okay, adds and grip soon. Get ready for lines, push up. And pump the warden. Focus on warden and nullbinders, good
We're
CC.
not mere mortals. Show them our strength.
Get ready to move. Let's go. Good positions. Be in circles. Good, play the gap. Lines, push up. Just slow down, where's Pino? Push the warden, get off boss, push warden. Deal with null binders and adds, good CC. CC,
Extinction.
good gate. Positions, stay alive. Someone's off the edge.
You've done well so far.
5,
Okay, we keep going.
3,
We can res Libra in 25 seconds.
1.
Follow me and try to stay alive.
Remember the orb spot?
Okay. Next up, off. Good baits here from everyone, melee and range. Don't be lazy. Stay on Pargoth. Let's move. Good CC.
Extinction.
Empowered.
Let's go.
Blur.
Be in position. Good. Now we play the gap.
Empowered. Empowered.
And this is just play safe. Keep pushing, boss.
Ready.
And as we come out of this, good baits. Good baits from everyone. Ranged and medi. Do not fuck this up.
Conqueror's Cross.
Good. And now pump wardens and nullbinders. Go.
Extinction.
Good gate. Be in position. Good. Stay alive and keep pushing, boss. Push up.
Empowered.
Stay alive.
I wish it wasn't this close. Alright guys, everyone's alive. Remember, trinkets and potions, use them right at the start.
Use the pot already.
And Bloodlust.
Destabilized.
Thank the light you're alive.
The Mana Forge is stable. What of Dimensius?
The ace phase is over in 5,
In hand,
4,
but not
3,
for long.
Empowered.
2.
We must keep him
One.
from regaining
Now.
power.
Empowered.
Looks okay? I can do it. That's no problem.
Empowered.
Okay, focus now.
Empowered.
Big pump. This is 3 damage right now.
We left bed.
Okay, get ready.
Darkness.
We're going left.
Empowered.
Take the buff early.
Empowered. Empowered.
Watch out debuff now. Don't kill yourself.
Empowered.
Step back. Watch your debuff. This is mid. And then get to your groups.
Devour.
And we're going in 3, 2, 1, in. And now let's move.
Blur.
All defensives now.
Be in your group. Stay in your group. Good. Make sure you potted.
Darkened sky.
Stay on this second planet. We're going right. Let's go.
Empowered.
That's it. Watch debuff. Step back.
Empowered.
Cosmic collapse.
Good. Let me stay on this third planet again. Rings in 3 seconds. Get ready for rings.
Darkened sky.
Left. We're going left. Take it early. And then we move round. Take again early. Watch debuff. Watch debuff. And then step back. Just stay alive here.
Defensives now.
Blur. Cosmic collapse. Darkness. Ready. Darkness.
Res. Keep going. Hide soon. Get ready. Mid. Ping mid.
Empowered. Empowered.
Be in 2, 1, in. And now move. This is gravity soon. And this is going to be the spread. Raid damage, hell pots, and then go out. One in between, come on. And now stay out, and now you fight it. You fight, you fight, you fight. You stay alive, and you keep now pump. Rings coming on right, go right. Take early. Move around, watch debuff. Do whatever you've got to stay alive now. And step back, stay alive,
Come on, come on, come on.
Pop everything, pop
and
everything,
push.
boys. Go on.
Come on, come
Push,
on.
push, push, push.
Pop everything, boys. Go on.
Push.
Boys! Yeah!
Let's go, boys. Fucking hell, let's go.
Let's go!
Fucking
Come
yeah.
on, boys!
Fucking yeah.
Well done, boys. You can have tomorrow off now.
Right, see you guys at
Fucking hell,
midnight.
boys.
Fuck you all.
Fuck this! Fucking hell.
Midnight.